Taliban Foreign Minister Amir Khan Muttaqi has arrived in Pakistan for the Troika Plus meet on Afghanistan, which takes place on Thursday. This is his first visit to neighboring Pakistan since the Taliban takeover. Those in attendance include senior officials from the US, Russia, as well as China, the Russian Special Envoy on Afghanistan and the Chinese Special Representative are already in Islamabad. The US will be represented by its Special Envoy for Afghanistan, Thomas West. In a statement, the Taliban government said that the meeting will focus on political, humanitarian, as well as economic issues. The issue of Pakistani visas for Afghan nationals is also likely to come up. Pakistan has said that the meeting's aim is to achieve lasting peace and stability in Afghanistan. However, the summit is largely being seen as an attempt by Islamabad to push for Taliban government's international recognition. Last month, Qureshi and the then chief of the Pakistani spy agency, the ISI, Faiz Hamid, made an unannounced visit to Kabul. The United Nations warned that the Afghan economy is on the brink of collapse. International grants for Afghanistan have dried up since the Taliban seized power. Western countries have announced aid for Afghanistan. The aid will be distributed through NGOs. The last Troika Plus meet was held in Moscow on the 19th of October. However, the US did not attend that summit, citing logistical challenges. And for more on these developments, our correspondent Anas Malik with us on the broadcast, joining us from Kabul. Anas, take us through what to expect from this meeting, which is being seen as another attempt by Pakistan to try and garner international recognition for the Taliban government, something that it has been craving ever since it captured power in Afghanistan.
Well, with this meeting, it's another step closer and closer in terms of, in the view of the Taliban, for international legitimacy, Molly. These are two contours to this meeting, or two sections to this meeting. First is the bilateral with the Pakistani side that is to take place tomorrow. And then after that, it is the Taliban delegation meeting the Troika Plus members. It is still unclear whether the Taliban delegation will also be holding separate meetings or bilateral meetings with the Troika Plus member states. That includes Russia, China and the United States. It is a bit unclear as we speak. But on top of the agenda would be that humanitarian assistance, because with the onset of winters, with snow approaching the capital Kabul, and we see the influx of migrants from the northern side rushing towards the capital city of Kabul, towards the center, and with the dire economic condition, no food supplies available, the humanitarian crisis looms. Therefore, that would be on top of the agenda. The other thing that also would be on the agenda would be the fact that how the Taliban government can ensure and assure that their talks on with regards to the Afghan side not being used again by terror-linked elements. The Taliban would also push to the US that they would want their assets to be unfrozen, and they would plead that this dire economic condition is directly linked with the asset freeze. Molly?
Anas Malik, we will await further inputs and updates on that front as the meeting is to take place tomorrow. Thanks very much for the moment. WION now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.